Huge developments tonight in a story we've been following for nearly 2 months. The disappearance of 5-year-old Jesse Shockley.
And we have in-depth coverage lined up for you tonight. Here's a breakdown of some of the new information we're gathering with our crews live on all angles of this investigation.
The one person behind bars right now, Jesse's mother, and she just faced a judge. Plus, whose side is the rest of the family on? Mom's or the investigators now arresting her?
We're also live covering the search of the family home and a neighborhood on alert, hoping for a positive outcome for this child. But we begin with the bombshell we brought you live as it happened. Glendale police revealing a discouraging but very real outlook.
I can tell you that with the information that has come to our investigators in the past few days, we do not believe it will be likely that we will find Jesse alive.
The other important information to take away from this, Jesse's mom now the primary focus of this investigation from Glendale police and the FBI. She is behind bars based on new tips claiming she abused and tortured the 5-year-old. And officers tell us others likely know what happened to Jesse and need to come forward now. That's why the reward is increasing to $25,000. ABC 15's Christopher Sine kicking off our live coverage. And Chris, the mom just appeared in court for the first time.
And we know Jerice Hunter has not cooperated with a lie detector test. Christopher, how did she do in front of the judge tonight?
Well, she certainly had a lot of questions for the judge and members of the media, but just within the past 5 minutes, an interesting twist in all of this. Her initial appearance in court here at the 4th Avenue jail was postponed. That's because I'm being told Glendale police need to file the proper child abuse charges to be booked and arraigned upon. Now, Jerice Hunter was sitting about 10 feet from me inside the courtroom, and that's when she belted out, "Guilty until I can afford to prove my innocence. The media can be here, but not my family." She continued to lash out saying, "Why are you here?" while looking at members of the media, including myself, shaking her head, closing her eyes, asking, did the detective set all of this up? So what happens next? Now that her initial appearance here at the 4th Avenue jail to be arraigned on those child abuse charges has been postponed, we're now being told that she'll be arraigned tomorrow morning at 11 a.m. She was wearing jailhouse stripes. At times she was hunched over, very upset to see members of the media in court for this public setting. But now we're going to have to wait to see what exactly transpires tomorrow morning as we get new documents that are expected to be released by the court tomorrow. Something else noteworthy, prosecutors and even Glendale detectives were here tonight talking to the judge. We weren't privy to those conversations. I guess we'll just have to wait until 11 o'clock tomorrow morning when Jerice Hunter faces the judge again for that initial court appearance. Steve and Katie.